is going to be part 2 for the Milton video. I know we showed some of these yesterday, but this is going to be the tractor video, so today's Monday, so a bit of stuff's already gone home, but it's early enough, so I'm going to try and do a video for you guys. Nice little Massey 30. I forget the make of the bigger Massey, but you've got our junk, the where are we? Farmall Cub right over there beside the 6. Super 6, W4, and the A. So we're just going to try and do tractors in this one, but and if the video is short enough, I might also throw the special feature in with this one. I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video. I probably did, but it is international this year. So 660 diesel, 560 diesel, 460 utility, 340. Very nice collection of these. 240 and then 240 utility beside it. And a little 140. Basically the exact equivalent to our Farmall A, just the new number series instead of the letter series. Not sure what year that one would be though. Ours is the 1940. This is a Super A. I remember. I guess he's a tractor. A few other ones. No offense, I don't really want to walk that far, so we have Zoom. Yeah, Super A. Hang on, I'm not zoomed out enough. There. Sorry about that. Another little W4. Farmall H. BN. This is a WD6, I think? No, it's Y, WD9. I always forget. I know I own one, but I forget where to put the tags. It's a 9. It's bigger than our 6. We've got a little 012. Genius plow on the back there. That trailer, I'm pretty sure it's a Genius International. M Super W4. Ingram Road Roller. This is a neat rig. He had it out running earlier. TD9 International crawler. TD6. And a T20. I think so. I think that's how that works. .20 McCormick Deering, WD-40 McCormick, WK-40, really nice tractors. And that almost looks like an original sign, but I'm not overly sure. 1020 Titan. Got another 1020 over here. It's all original. Got a couple more tractors on the back row here, and then over there's a few. So we'll finish this side and carry on. Beautiful tractor. Like I say, this is all original. Dust Bowl Museum. If you guys don't follow him, he's over on Instagram. The Dust Bowl Museum. He's got a lot of really neat stuff. Little yard hand. It's a 2-stroke, but it is a real tractor. I think I went over that in the last video. This is his lovely little German diesel tractor. Really cool tractor. You don't see, well, you don't see them here in Canada. We've got this little D410 bush hog. And then, like I say, we got the steam engines or the traction engines over there, so I'll take a walk over there, pause you guys, and bring you back in a minute. It's these guys. It's a Cat 10, an earlier Cat 10. Don't know if you guys can read that. You should be able to. It says the General Supply Co. of Canada, Ottawa, Montreal, and Toronto. Beautiful little tractor. And we got this little guy, and I'm not focused. Focus. Oliver, if I remember correctly. I'm sorry, Kyle, if I forgot. I do forget, so I'm sorry. Yeah, we're close enough. I'll just walk it now. George White and Sons. Sawyer Massey. Another Sawyer. Nice George White. Nicholas and Shepherd. I don't know, you guys might have caught it the other day or in the other video, but got a very nice tugboat whistle on it. Got a little case portable powering the shingle mill. Yeah, we're right here. We'll throw in the international stuff.
Okay. 519 $27.99. Excellent. Harold Jones. Once I talk to him on the phone, will. How much? We'll get down to that. 1 year.
Sorry, the reflection in here is kind of hard to see some of it, but a lot of books, manuals, operators manuals, toys.
Yeah, I've been all around those things. From the point, the brick, and this all was built.
Bunch of other tools. Well, I've got that one. Hey, there. Magneto grease. Mine's earlier though. I have the original box and I've got a tin cap on mine. Huh, cool.
Well, I saw 1838. Oh, that's close enough. I sent the other one. Okay.
A little bit of anything and everything. How you doing?
Bad. See, we're all ready for the pancake day here.
Perfect.
Cause even got the beer bottle up there.
Hey, there we go.
Now, Irma Harding was how they advertised their freezers and refrigerators and all that stuff.
Right.
They went to fair or something, maybe display.
Yeah.
They got to hire some lady to.
Do you want to be on film?
Don't matter. And so they'd hire some lady to be to show what all the features were, you know.
Right.
And so they invented a name, Irma Harding. IH, Irma Harding.
Yeah.
And these were freezer boxes you could get from the company.
Okay.
They ordered freezers. And this was for sealing plastic bags.
Okay.
Not what the lady said it was a hair crimper, no, it's actually for sealing the plastic bags. And I got that thing, it's all in the original box, and it had the original bill of sale inside.
Oh, wow.
And a little bit.
You got a beautiful collection.
Yeah. Oh, just 50 odd years. Plus.
That's all right.
All that stuff in there. Oh, sorry. You got a beautiful display. I don't know, that might be half of my
If you don't mind, I'm just gonna get that out of the shadow, or out of the glare.
boards and wrenches and stuff, that big heavy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Anyway. I got a history with a lot of this stuff.
Yeah.
My dad started to go up north.
Just a reminder that if you want ice
There
cream,
for 10 years.
Troy's down there has ice cream.
So anyway, the Central New York burned to death. And it was a little bit longer, I think. The death and the giver were quite, well, they were together, that kind of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick friends.
This I absolutely
And,
want and love.
Anyway, when I come along in 1944, that started in 41. Right? I come along in 1944, and next time he see Burner, he says, "No, I got rid." I said, "Oh," he said, "That's good. Here's $5. Start a bank account." Wow, that guy started.
Yeah, that's amazing.
You know.
See how important that $5 was in your life? You think about it?
Yeah.
Isn't it funny how something little like that
Oh yeah.
can change your whole life or your whole focus on things, or give you a focus on something, give you a hobby? Yeah.
Alright guys, gonna take a wander over there and I'll bring you back in a second. Not great with the rumblies, so I'm not exactly sure the model, but I'll try and do my best for you. John Deere H, John Deere D, or O, I guess. Sorry. O. Yeah, that's different than a D, so. No, it is a D. Say I'm not good with most brands. Very nice John Deere R. If I could afford one, I'd have one. And just something about the R diesels. John Deere M. John Deere A. Four bolt. Little rough, but still here. Yeah, could be fixed. Little BR. Farm all age. 1650 hydrostat cub. 300. Farm all. 1850 cock shut with a V blade for snow on it. LAI case. Say I'm not super great. I'm more engines than I am tractors, so a lot of these, unless they say, I don't really know. I know it's case. It's a C, Model C. John Deere 40. VA case. 420 John Deere crawler. Kind of looks like a Lindemann blade on it, but nope, hang on. John Deere D. Again, I'm not really sure on the Rumleys. I like them, but I just don't know the models. I know these three belong to a friend of mine. Maybe before he has to cart them home, I can steal a ride on a hard par. $28.50, and then we've got the little 1224. Another John Deere crawler. A couple of them. Massey Ferguson 65. We got the big Mini. Beautiful tractor. Couple cock shuts. Again, I'm more engines. I don't really know most makes. Well, I know makes. I don't know models. Ford Ferguson. Ford 771 Selecto Speed. That's an oddball little unit. .991 Selecto Speed. Model F Rumley. I do know this one because it's the only single cylinder. And you guys didn't see any of that. Not too much yourself.
Oh, there's a dump tractor.
There you go. Sawyer gas tractor. .3060 lightweight Rumley. I think I've gone over this. I think I went over this in the prologue video. Difference between lightweights and heavyweights. Heavyweights had a channel frame, as to a lightweight had a stamp steel frame. This is a 2040. Little Farmall 140 hiding back there. See another W4. There you go. Sawmill. Bye. I'm sorry guys, I just don't like the sawmill. I've grown up with it. It doesn't interest me. Champion, what do you call these? Threshing machine, I know what I'm talking about. And they've got a nice, if I can zoom in enough. Probably not. Yeah, good thing we're almost done. This video is getting kind of long. D, I believe, earlier though, or not earlier, later. So that should have the electric start on it. Oh no. See? This is why I don't know things. It's like another maybe C case, all original. Yes, Model C. Yeah, you can still make out a lot of the original decaling on the fenders, pinstriping. Another 1020. Cockshut 50 Deluxe, Massey 81, 82. Little John Deere, again, not sure it's industrial, I know that much, but John Deere D. Another D. Massey 50. Looks like Ed's gonna start his Rumley. Lunchtime. Couple Alice Chalmers. Again, I'm not sure. This one's a Model B. It tells me, so I know what it is. Case 300. Little Gibson. Oh, there's a few Gibsons here. You've got an oddball, bigger Gibson. It's the Model H. Again, another beautiful tractor. Little wheel horse. I know where there's one of these, but I don't think they're selling it. John Deere AR. And another Alice B. Oh. Massey Ferguson 175 and an International W4. W4s are just popular tractors. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Like I say, ooh geez, we're running 35 minutes. Well, hopefully you like the longer videos, because this is definitely one. So, get Ed going by here and call it a video. Alright guys, talk to you in the next one.